Okay, so this is my 2016 Legacy XL with the 61-inch fabricated deck. And it's a new deck shell, so I'm just kind of making this video to point out a positive thing for a company, because normally all you see and read is negative things, but this is a positive. This mower deck, the original mower deck, same 61-inch fabricated deck, had a crack in it. Had a crack right in the center of the screen there, right in the crack in the corner. I'll insert pictures now. But anyway, took it in, and they replaced it under warranty. They even replaced a few worn out keys in the spindles, and also replaced some wiring on the electric lift, all free of charge, all without a hassle. So again, kudos to Simplicity/Briggs. Replaced everything under warranty, free of charge, no problem at all. So again, I just wanted to kind of document and make a positive note and a positive video. They did a great job. Did it in a timely fashion, for the most part. That was Wales Lawn and Garden in Wales, Wisconsin. They did a great job. I recommend them highly. I don't know what else to say. Again, it's just great work, and I greatly appreciate it. So again, thanks for watching. Please comment if you have questions or comments, obviously, and give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Thanks for watching.